it's Neil, and welcome to my family room here, and actually my office is back there. And if you know me, you know I love the electric scooters, electric bikes. I have an electric scooter back there, electric bikes, I have the hoverboards, I got all these little electric devices. Just they're fun, and it makes it fun and easy to get around. So I figured I was gonna get myself another one here, because I have one here, back there, and I wanted to get another one here so when people come to visit, we can go scooting together. So that's kind of the plan here. So I saw this one here. I'm gonna have it upside down there just because the box came a little bit open. Hopefully everything's in there. But this is the QINGOR electric scooter. And we're gonna give this thing a shot and see how it goes together. And you guys can watch as I put it together and see how good it is. Weird because it's upside down at this point. Get out the pieces and parts. And then, okay, that's everything. Box is empty. So this is the scooter here. So we got there's the charger. Right. Okay, so let me scoot it up a little bit here. So here's the scooter, and so we can check it out and look at the different pieces and parts and see how it is. This one here is way more durable than my other ones that I got. I wanted to get one that was for me, for distance and for good. So this one here's got a bigger battery, better, I think it had the better wheels and tires and stuff. I think this one here, let me see, does it have? Yeah, I think it's got the solid tires and it's got the brakes and everything on it, so it's pretty good. It's got a kickstand and it's got a nice rubber platform. Seems like it's pretty good here. Let's check out the manual and try to put this thing together. So, and I'm not gonna say there's anything wrong with this old one here. That one's really good. It's just, I wanted a beefier one that would go the distance a little better. So let's see what we got here. In here we have so here's the charger. It charges pretty much like everything else with one of these, and then it just plugs into a 2-prong outlet with the little adapter dealie. So, and I'm guessing the charging port is just right here on the side. So, and it's got a little rubber cover on it. I'll pick that up for you in a second. So let's see what we got here. So I'm putting it together. Seems pretty straightforward. It'll just go. I have to take off these 2 screws here. So you can see there's a couple of screws for the handle here. So let's take those off. And they have little washers on them, so that's kind of good too. There we go, perfect. And then we'll just jam this wire on the inside here. Is there anything in there? There's a little bit of foam in there, but I think I'll leave it. And then there goes to, actually it's gonna go this way here. Yep. And then, let's go see what this looks like here. Snap this closed here. I'll just leave it like that for right now. And these screws are kind of good because they have, if you look at them, I don't know if you can see from there, might be too far, but they have the little Loctite already on it, that little blue stuff. And so that makes it so once you screw it in, it stays in pretty good. So you don't have to worry about it falling out as you vibrate down the road. So let's screw this in here. There's one screw. Okay, so there we go. So now it's all screwed in and ready to go. And I didn't clip it on here yet, so let's just see if there's any other instructions I'm missing before we go ahead and just put it together here. Yeah, basically just says snap it on here. So this should go. Oh, got it. So it goes up. So this is how you fold it, and then it's got a little clip right there, which clips onto that little back area. So then you can pick it up. So if I was going somewhere, I could pick it up and put it in my car, put it in this shopping cart or something if I'm shopping, and then push that to open it up. So unfold it, and then do this, and is that in? I'm not sure why it's not clipping in. It goes like that. I guess it's in. Okay. Yep, it's not going anywhere. So that's how it works. And then we turn it on like all these other ones. Let me move this camera here so you guys can see a little better. So here's this is how it would go on. Let's see. And there we go. So it's saying wants to connect to Bluetooth. And right now it says it's got 3 bars of power. And so let's go give this thing a try. We're gonna go outside and give it a try for the first time. We'll try it together and see how it does compared to some of these other ones. So let's go. Okay, so here we are outside. I've got the scooter and it's still on, I think. Yep, it's still on. So we're gonna give this thing a try, and we're scooting for the first time and put up the kickstand. Wish me luck. Okay, so the first thing I noticed is this thing here is significantly faster on the acceleration than any other scooter I've ever had. This one here is a powerful scooter. This one here isn't some little cheap little baby toy one. This is a heavy duty one. It's got a little bell on it here, so that's kind of cool. So if you're going, and the brake is the front brake, I believe. Yeah, so that'll stop you in the front, so you gotta watch out so you don't tip forward. It's got the airless tires, so they're solid tires, so you're not gonna get a flat along the way. And so really, all you need to do is bring this in the charger anywhere you go, and then you can just keep using it and using it and using it. Never really have to worry about anything. It's electric, no maintenance to worry about. And then I see here, this has got a little plastic cover on it. So where you saw where the speedometer was, it was a little scratchy, but it's not anymore because I just took off the plastic. So I really like this thing, and it does connect it through Bluetooth to your phone. I can't do that at the moment because I have the phone right here, but I'll show you inside on the iPad. I'm gonna put a link to this in the description so you guys can buy one of these for yourself. I totally recommend it, it's awesome. And it's got a little weight to it. It's definitely heavier than some of the other ones because the battery is a longer distance one. So that's gonna be one of the factors, I guess. If you're looking for super lightweight, you can just throw in the trunk of your car and just go a mile or two. You might wanna go with a smaller one. But if you want something that's gonna last and you can just keep riding and riding and riding, this is the one for you. So I'm gonna go inside and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like on the iPad when we connect, and that's it. Okay, back in a few. Okay, so this is the app. You can kind of see it here. I have it on my iPad. Normally you would have it on your phone as you're riding along. And you can see, I rode for 1 minute and 22 seconds, 0.2 miles. I mean, because that's all I went on it. But you can control things like I can turn the light on the front of the scooter, and it's on now, it's way over there. But that's kind of how it connects. You can see how much battery power is left. And you can change the gears. If you go to first gear, then it goes, I think it's got a little bit more power and just a little slower. And then the second gear goes a little, it goes faster. So that's it. So that's kind of the whole kit and caboodle for it. So I'm gonna put a link to this in the description. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video, and I'll be back with some more reviews of things soon. Thanks for watching, bye.